Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool update here, and basically what these are some cases they can use for iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here we do have 3 of the cases and all of them are the same but just different color. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the case looks like. And you see the way how they designed the case definitely looks pretty cool. It basically gives you guys the case option and they give you guys a little wallet. And pretty much what's holding it together is a magnetic option. So if you guys do take it out, both the wallet and the case have a magnetic option, which is pretty cool. And for the wallet option, it's not required for you to use it. But really cool how they do give you guys that option, so that way you can get a free wallet and a case included together. And if you guys know the material that's on here and also the wallet, they do use a leather material. But the type of leather that they do use is vegan leather, which is very eco-friendly. So before I show you guys the other case, let's show you guys what's on the wallet first. So let's do open up. So you see in the front right here, they do have the brand name. But once you guys do open up, take out the wrapper. This is basically what the inside looks like. And if you guys open again, that is basically what the wallet looks like once you guys do open it. So the material that they use on here definitely feels like a high quality material. I believe the interior is like a microfiber material. And it's what the wallet is vegan leather. They basically have one slot to put stuff on here, one right here. You have 2 slots to put your cards right here in the middle. And when you guys do close it up, there's one more slot for you to put stuff right here if you guys want to as well. So that is basically what the wallet looks like on this side. And here is the other side. And I love the way how they designed this part right here for the wallet. It does have a magnetic option, so that way when you guys do close it, it sticks on pretty well. So just to show you guys the wallet is magnetic, if you guys do stick it on, if you see how it does stay on. Now let's take a look at the case. So for the case right here, they do have the brand name, and they do have like the vegan leather like I mentioned. Right here on top, they do have the opening for the lens. And when you guys look up in the side, we do have the button right here. Same thing for our side. And then right here is on top, and here is the bottom. When you guys do take out the inner part, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they also have this very nice microfiber material inside that definitely feels really soft and very smooth. But throughout the case on the inside, they do have the built-in protection. So that way it can give you guys that protection if you guys do drop it by accident. And it also has the shockproof design. And when you guys look at the case from the side, it's actually very thin. It's not that big. But I'll show you guys another point of view in a second once we do put it on the phone. But right here is basically one of the color option. Let me show you the other 2 first. So right here we do have the next one. So once you guys do take it out, this is what this one looks like. So this one is like a brown color, but everything on here is basically the same. They do give you guys a magnetic wallet, so let's do take it out. That is basically what the back part looks like. And basically everything on the wallet is the same. If you can see when you guys do open up, and here is the other side. So that is basically the second color. Now I'll show you the last and final one. Alright, so right here we do have the last and final one. And you see everything on here is basically the same. But for this one right here, it is a black color. So if I do remove the wallet, this is basically what the part looks like once you guys do remove it. And when you guys do open the wallet, this is what the inside looks like. And here is the other side. So when you guys put all 3 of them side by side without the wallet, this is what it looks like. But once you guys do put the wallet on, here is basically what all 3 of them looks like side by side when you guys do put on the wallet. But now let's put on the phone to show you guys what it looks like. So if I do put it on, just clip it on really easily. Once you guys do put it on, this is basically what the case looks like. And if you guys notice for the back part for the lens, it raised up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. Same thing for the front part as well. And when you guys do hold it in your hand, it actually feels pretty nice. It does give you guys a little bit of like a non-slip material on the side to prevent the foam from falling off your hand when you guys do use it. And because for the back part, it does have a built-in magnet. If you guys want to do the MagSafe water charging option, you definitely can. So if you guys do stick it on, and you see it does work. And the magnet that's on here is actually really strong. You can see how it does stay on pretty well. And then once you guys do put on the wallet, this is what the case looks like once you guys do put it on. And then right here is the side. Now let's show you the next one. So next let's put on the black one. Alright, so once you guys do put it on, this is what it looks like for this one. So this is what it looks like for the back when you guys do use the wallet. But once you guys remove it, here is basically what the case looks like without the wallet. So this is the back, here is the side, here is the top, here is the other side, and right here is bottom, and this is what it looks like on top. So that is basically what the second one looks like for the black option. Now let's show you the last and final one. So I do put it on. Once you guys do put it on, this is what the case looks like. So this actually looks like with the wallet on, but once you guys do remove it, this is basically what the case looks like without the wallet option. So right here is the back, here is the side, here is the top, here is the other side, right here is the bottom, and here is the top. So that is basically what all 3 of the case looks like once you guys do put it on. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And it feels like a high quality material when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this case, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality case that can use for iPhone 14 Pro Max that give you guys everything on here in terms of the vegan leather material, the MagSafe compatible case, and also give you guys a free wallet that's magnetic as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.